I have some products that are new to me to try out today, and in the video I'm not going to do the full face, but I will show these. The MAC Blush Baby and the Jacqueline highlighter in the mini. The Anastasia Norvina eyeshadow palette. If I open it up, it looks like this. And two of the Stila smudge stick eyeliners in Amethyst and in Abalone, and a MAC lipstick. I put on some of my other makeup, including the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I already did a video on that, and I will link that in the upper right corner in a little eye, and also in the video's description box. So now I'm actually ready for blush, and I have this MAC blush in the color Blush Baby. It's kind of a pink, but not an intense pink. So it puts on this nice pink glow. So if you like a pink blush, you're going for a more pink look instead of a peachy look, this is a good one because it doesn't scream pink. And if you want, you can put a little bit up here and do a little bit down here. And afterward, to blend it out, I just like to take I like to take a big fluffy brush and just blend it. Now I do have a highlighter because that MAC blush, it's matte. It doesn't have any shimmer in it. And I bought this Jacqueline Cosmetics highlighter in the mini. I didn't need the big one. This is in the color called Iced. And I'm just going to put that with a brush like this on the top parts of my cheeks, and a little bit into that blush. And I'm seeing in my studio lights, it is pretty highlighty. And if you want, you can put some down your nose. I don't like to emphasize my nose anymore. A little bit here. I don't put it on my chin because sometimes that can make me look like I dribbled some milk or something on my chin. Now I'm ready for eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina. I'm going to do a whole separate video on this in the coming week or so, just because I want to spend more time on this and I don't want this video to be too long. But just to show you real quick, it has a row of mattes at the bottom and a row of shimmers at the top. So I'm going to start with this creamy colored one on the end. It's actually quite beige, and I'll apply that all over, but my vision's not so good, so I have to flip my mirror to the 5X. And I did schedule my eyes for cataract surgery. Oh yes, I grew up eating Twinkies, Ho-Hos, and Ding Dongs, so I get to do that. But that is in 2022. All right, clean off some of that, and now, I'm wearing purple today, so I'm gonna do a transition color. I'm going to go ahead and do this warm beige that's called Incense, but I'm dipping my brush in there and tapping a lot off because I'm going to go above the crease in that transition area, and I just like a light matte color there. Go a little bit toward the brow in the corner, and I will blend that out in a moment. Now, since I'm wearing purple today, I'm going to, even though this is shimmer, this dark purple on the end, I'm going to go in with a very small angled brush and go into the outer corner with that very carefully. And blend it out and see if I want to add more. I might add a little bit more in just the outer corner here of the mobile lid. So far this one is shimmer, not glitter, which is good. Now I have to decide on the rest of the mobile lid. So let's see. I'll probably do this one called Dreamer on most of the mobile lid, but in the outer corners I'm kind of torn. Just doing some fun stuff today between the pink Wild Child, the rose gold, and the celestial. So I'm going to swatch them on my finger and hold them up to the camera to see and focus. So here they are. This one's a pink, this one's a rose gold, and this one's the purple. Hard to decide. Maybe because I just did that other dark purple on the end, I'll do the rose gold on the outer mobile lid, and maybe I'll do the pink instead of that beige. I'm going to take a really small brush and go into that rose gold, and I'm just going to go on the outer part of the eye. And remember, I have that dark purple there too. Interesting. It is adhering nicely. That's what I like about this. All right, interesting. Then, before I blend, I'm going to go in with another small brush and dip into that Wild Child pink. Shake off some extra. Oh yes, that is very pink. Well, okay, that's really pink. I don't know that I'm going for pink today. Okay, I decided I don't want to do that. I changed my mind. All right, now I might have messed up some of the rose gold. So off camera, I'm gonna go over the rose gold again. Okay, I'm gonna use this creamy one because I'm not in a mood for that much pink today. And go over the rest of the mobile lid with that, and I'll blend it together and see if it needs any more. All right. With shimmers, with the blending, you have to be so much more careful so you don't get way too much shimmer in other parts of your face and eyes where you didn't want it. All right, and pull up a 10x mirror to, to see it. Okay. I think I want a little more of that dark purple in the outer corner right now. I am getting a little bit on my face, but I will brush that off. I have the Stila Smudge Stick Eyeliner in Amethyst, Usually I do my eyeliner before my eyeshadow, but I thought I'd get a little more daring today. This is a twist up eye pencil that you don't have to sharpen. So I'm doing along the lid. I have very sensitive eyes. I'll do a little bit there, but I'm going to go over it with a little bit of shadow in a moment. And if I had a third hand, I could stretch out. Let me see if I could do it here. Stretch out the skin. Stretch out my eyelid. And I'll do just a little bit on the under. But what I'm going to do now is go over that with an even smaller tiny little brush with that dark purple. And usually I would use a dark purple that's, let's see if I can do, that is not shimmer but is matte, but this will do. It's not, since it's not a sparkly, and I'm going to go down this under eye just a little bit more, about halfway. But when I dip the brush into it, into the shadow, I tap a lot off, even wipe some off on a tissue so it doesn't get all over. And this helps to set that liner so that when I open my eyes and the liner touches my skin up here, that it doesn't rub off. Okay, I just probably touched my my eye down here. Now I have one other eyeliner. When I bought the Stila, I've also bought the Stila same eyeliner, but in abalone. And it's kind of a creamy light color. And I'm gonna go in to this inner corner here. It's really subtle, but you can see it. And after you apply it, you can smudge it with your finger if you want. Let me see if I can do this side with. And you can go as much into the corner skin as you want. You can either also highlight, you know, if you can do your waterline, more power to you. I can't because it makes my eyes water. Thus the waterline. All right. Now, off camera, I'm going to put on my mascara and I'll be right back. For lips, I have the MAC Love Me lipstick in the color Très Blasé. Now, this is really light and there's nothing pink about it. It's more of a peachy color. Oh, it's very creamy. I would call it more satin. It's certainly not matte. The color is just a really nice neutral color. I mean, you could put on a lip liner under this, that's some intense lip liner that you have in either more of a pink or red or coral color, and then you could put this over it to make it more subtle. It doesn't really have any shimmer in it, but I think it's a good all year color. The smell is fine too. I can handle the smell. Now, if you wanted, now I use this all the time. If you wanted to put a gloss over it, that is, you don't really need a plain gloss, but if you want to put something on that has a little shimmer to it, I love the Pixie Lip Icing. This is in the color Cookie. And let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, that just really makes it pop. So, you know, if you're going from a daytime to a nighttime, and of course my eyes are intense the way I did them, so toning down my lips is okay, and I have small lips anyway, so sometimes really intense colors on my lips just look wonky. So anyway, that is my look from close up. And this is the look from far away. I hope you enjoyed seeing how some of these products work on an over 50 face, actually an over 60 face. And I don't do Botox, I don't do injections. Let's just say I haven't done them yet. I'm not opposed to them, but I just haven't done them yet. So it's a lot to do with my skincare and my diet. So check out one of my other videos then by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.